In Gitness, you can enable security features to prevent hard-coded secrets from being accidentally committed and pushed to your Git repository. Let's follow this secret scanning guide to see this feature in action. Here I have Gitness up and running, and I've imported a popular Go repository called pod.info. Let's enable the secret scanning feature from settings of our repository. Under the security tab, you'll see the option to enable secret scanning. Let's hit save. Next, let's find the git clone URL of this repository. And then I'll use my code editor to clone this repository locally. I'll find an ideal place for the clone to happen. And next, I'll open this repository. In the guide, there is a sample for AWS credential. This is not a valid credential. We found it from AWS docs. Although the credential is not valid, it has the same pattern as an actual AWS credential. I'll create a new file called awscreds.config and paste in the fake credentials. Next, I'll try to commit and push these changes. I'll add a meaningful commit message and then try to push. You'll see that the remote repository blocks these changes. Let's find out why. Here you can see that the remote repository blocks the changes by security scan results because the push contains secret. It also tells you which file contains the secret ID, the commit hash, as well as some more details. It identified a pattern that may indicate AWS credentials. This is how you can enable secret scanning in your Gitness repository to prevent secrets from being accidentally introduced. There might be a situation where you want to bypass or ignore detected secrets. There are two ways you can do that. You can add a Gitleaks allow as a comment in your code, or you can create a Gitleaks ignore file. Let's try the first approach. We'll create the same file, aws-creds.config, and this time we have added Gitleaks allow as a comment after each of these secrets. Let's try to commit and push this file. This time our security scanner has bypassed the secret detection, and we can see the file in the remote repository. Follow the link in the video description to give Gitness and secret scanning a try.